How to log in into Netflix from laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to log in into Netflix from laptop. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch a web browser, click search bar and type in www.netflix.com. Now press enter on your keyboard. Then you will land on official interface of Netflix. Click sign in button at top right corner of your screen. This will direct you to the login section where you have to enter the credentials like your email and phone number and the password. Or you can use the sign-in code to sign into your account. In case you forget password, click forget password link and recover your password. If you wish to remember your credentials, then click on this small box. With that, you can click on sign in button to sign in into Netflix. And that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.